Hey guys, welcome back to yet another episode of Alicia's Kitchen. So in today's video, I'll be making this amazing barbecue pork ribs with a side of garlic mashed potatoes, green beans, and carrots. Now, let's jump right into the video. Guys, what you want to do is that you want to pat your rib dry with paper towel. Then after, you'll be removing the thin membrane attached to the underside of your rib. Now guys, you do have different method of removing the membrane, but this is how I was taught. Thanks, Matt. Now you're gonna turn your rib over, and this is where you're gonna season your rib. And I'm just gonna season that with my Maggi all-purpose season. And I'm just gonna rub that all over the rib, just making sure that it's well seasoned. Now guys, I also went ahead and I did a rub, and this is a combination of Old Bay season, smoked paprika, garlic powder, black pepper, onion powder, oregano, and parsley. Now guys, with me, I like adding a bit of brown sugar to mine. So I'm just gonna, add some brown sugar, and this is what's gonna give it that sweet, sticky taste. Now guys, I'm adding the barbecue sauce, and this is the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, and this is my absolute favorite barbecue sauce because it has this tangy yet sweet taste. I don't know if y'all understand what I'm talking about, but this sauce is definitely the GOAT right now for me. Now guys, look how sexy my rib is. Look how sexy my rib is. Like guys, once you finish rubbing your rib and adding your barbecue sauce and all that, this is exactly how your rib is supposed to look. Okay, if it doesn't look like this, just toss the entire thing away. Really, just do that. So now guys, I'll be wrapping this rib with foil, and I'm gonna bake it at a temperature at 350 degrees for about 3 hours. Now guys, that our ribs are out of the oven, I'm just gonna baste it one more time, guys, just once with this barbecue sauce, and back in the oven it goes for about 15 minutes. Now guys, for a potato, I already went ahead and I add my water to the pot just to boil. Then I'll be using these three large white potatoes. These three large white potatoes, I'm just gonna peel them, dice them. Remember, the thinner the cut, the quicker it cooks. The thicker the cut, the harder it's gonna cook. I want mine to cook quick, so I'm just gonna cut it thin. Okay, now guys, it's time to make our garlic mash. So I'm just gonna add my potatoes to my mixer, and I'm just gonna mix that for about 30 seconds. Then I'll be adding my oregano, and you know, mash is no good without oregano. Like, this is just one of the main ingredients, guys. I mean, for me, it's one of the main ingredients. Then I'll be adding my half and half, and yes, my half and half boiled over on the stove. I was so pissed. Anywho, yeah, we're just gonna add that, you know, in moderation, because you don't want to add too much and then it becomes too liquidy. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is a perfect consistency for my type of mash. So I'm gonna set that aside and go and saute my veggies. Now guys, for my veggies, I'm just gonna add some butter to my skillet, and I'm just gonna let that heat a bit. So now I'll be sauteing my garlic and also my onions, and these are finely chopped, and I'll be sauteing those until they're fragrant. Okay, now guys, I'm adding my green beans and my carrots, and I'm just gonna toss that. Then I'll be adding salt and pepper to taste, and yep, that is it. Guys, our rib is finally out of the oven, so now I'm just gonna cut my rib and just plate it. And guys, this is definitely what you call fall off the bone rib, okay? Anyways guys, we've come to the end of another video. I thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. I also love you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.